Importing an electronic bank statement. Nowadays, most banks want to do away with paper bank statements altogether. With an electronic copy of your bank statement, you have the program match up checks and find the differences between what your data file shows and what the bank shows. Getting the bank statement. It is not possible to tell you each procedure you will need to use to find and download a bank statement into your computer because every bank seems to have its own method of doing this. In general, you will log into your bank's internet banking site. Once there, you will need to find a place where you can download a copy of your bank statement onto your computer. The item in the website may be called transfer or download or export. We need the downloaded file to be a comma-separated value file, CSV, or a text file. We can also use an Excel file, but text or CSV is better. What we cannot use is a PDF file or some other Word-type document. It may take a little hunting around to find the place where you can do this, or you may need to call your bank to ask for help. Importing the bank statement. You can put the file any place you'd like on your computer. I recommend that you set up a folder in your C drive called Bank Statements and put the downloaded bank statements there. The program has a little utility to help you find the bank statement files to import, and it automatically starts you out by looking in a folder called Bank Statements on your C drive. So if you put the files there to start, it will make everything a little bit easier. Once you have downloaded the bank statement, you are ready to import the data from the bank into your program. From the main screen, click on Import Statement button. This will produce a little utility to manage the import process. Start by choosing the file to import. Click on the button with the three little dots to run a navigation utility. Notice that it is set to look in the Bank Statements folder to start with. Once there, you will have a list of bank statements that you can choose from that you have imported. You will double-click on the file that you would like and click on Open. This will set up the file you selected to be imported. Now click on the Import Statement button. You will get a finished message when the data has been imported. From the main form, click on Banking. Voiding checks. This is the only place in the program where you can directly void checks. When you void a check, the program automatically makes changes to the consumer's withholding records and saves the original withholding records. If you decide to reverse the void and uncheck the void checkbox, the program will restore the original values to the underlying records. So click on the account that you would like to use, and over here is the void checkbox. The program will automatically void out any $0 amounts in the statement. There are other places in the program where checks are voided, but this is the only place where you do it directly. Adding deposits. Click on the Deposits tab to switch to the Deposits display screen. Click on the Add Deposits button to create a blank deposit item for the row for you to fill in. Fill in your information and the amount here, and you are finished. Marking individual items as having been cleared. Select your account. Go to the All Checks tab. Check the box at the leftmost position on each row to mark an item as having been cleared by the bank. If you have clicked on the All Checks or Deposits tab at the top, the program will update the difference box at the top of the form as you clear or unclear items. This is accomplished by forcing the program to requery, and this causes the program to move the cursor back to the top of the list.